back, everybody. Bearded Griller. Got a new toy in the mail. Got a message from Andrew from Facebook the other day asking if I'd like to try out one of their new Barrel House 18C cookers. Give it a review. So let's get this thing unboxed and see what's different from the other Barrel House. Definitely bigger than the other one. Oh, I forgot to mention. Thank you for the card. And keeping with tradition, instead of drawing a dinosaur on the box, they drew me a nice dinosaur in the card. Don't need that. Oh, make sure there's nothing in here. We got a sticker. And lots of hard work. Got our owner's manual, paperwork, all that fun stuff. So far I'm pretty impressed with the packaging. And that's it. Let's get the lid off of this baby. It feels nice and heavy duty. Here's our base. More cardboard. Can't reach. Alright. Burn basket. Another box. More plastic. And our grates. When we get this all sorted up, round up what we need to do, we'll put this thing together. See you guys in a minute. Alright, after looking over the instructions, assembly looks pretty easy. We've got a 13mm wrench, 10mm socket, a drill with a Phillips bit. Let's get to work. Right here, the air damper is different than the other one. I noticed that right off. It looks like it's going to be pretty slick, easy to adjust. Just slides right in there. You run a set screw in it so you can't accidentally pull it all the way out. Okay. Check. Got some fairly heavy duty looking metal legs here. Those just slip on. Like so. Ta-da! We have a base. Put together the lid real quick. You'll notice on the handles, one set's flat, that's for your lid. These other ones have a contour in them. Make sure you don't mix those up so you don't scratch or bend your pieces. Get some nice flat washers to go with them, some lock washers. Nice and tight fit. Another one. We got a handle. Get that out of the way. Looks like a pretty nice thermometer. It even says BHC on it, so you know they actually got those made themselves. Got a nice rubber O-ring. Slip that over there to seal it up. Seal that. cleat on so you have a place to hang it. Grab our 13 millimeter. Alright. Get our side handles on. Ta-da! So this is pretty slick. It's got a little mushroom top over it to keep the ash from falling in. You just adjust your airflow with this little lever down here. It moves that hole, which controls your flow through the top. Set your charcoal basket on. Grab your barrel. Just like that. You're in business. It's nice and heavy duty. The coating looks like it's pretty strong. I'm pretty excited to give this a shot. I'll see you guys next time. Dirty Griller.